Well, even with mental health, there's a lot of reasons that we have anxiety and depression. It's not just one thing. It's not just we're feeling depressed because something external happened. A lot of times it's an imbalance in our body. Sometimes it's an inflammation in our gut and our brain. Sometimes it's a liver issue where we're not processing the stress or whatever we're not processing, and our liver is blocked, and so we're having more anxiety. Sometimes it's our thyroid, and this is why we can use herbs and balance our body. And I love adaptogens because it literally goes to where you need that balance, right? It doesn't target one specific area. It goes where the weakness is that, I mean, you tell me. I mean, you're the herbalist.
Yeah, and I guess like different herbs have an affinity to like different organs, you know? So when you said thyroid, for example, like ashwagandha actually also has research on it for supporting low thyroid function, which again is one of the reasons that we think it might be supportive for low mood. It also is very supportive for immune function, right? We all know that when we're fighting a cold or a flu, that our mental health is not as at its best, right? So if underlying your anxiety or your low mood is, you know, like you said, a thyroid issue or an immune issue, adaptogens particularly, because they work on that physiological stressors as well, which often does relate to immune function. They just, yeah, you said, like you said, they just kind of go where they need to go because they're non-specific, which feels a little bit counterintuitive, but they're just amazing.
Well, that's what makes them so amazing. And that I've done so many episodes about the connection between food and mood, and how that's important because ultimately it also connects to our gut, and then it also connects to our liver, and it also balances out our hormones. And in my treatment with anxiety, I always like to go to the root issues. A lot of people just want to talk about their symptoms of anxiety, but I feel like it's a better use of my time to go, what is causing that anxiety? Let's look at the root cause. And a lot of times, if we end up making changes at the root level, we end up feeling better mentally.